Okay, so this is the Navigating Canvas daily that I need you to be able to do for our Math 3 course. Um, so when you log into Canvas, you go to your courses and you choose your NC Math 3. For me, you will always have your top three announcements for that week. So logging in on Monday will give you Mondays, and then Fridays and Thursdays from the last week. All of them are dated. Now, your to do list is off on the side, so you can always go off and view the to do list from there. But you've got a couple different ways you can navigate. First thing I always want you to do is come in and view the announcements. The announcements, as far as for today goes for Math 3, we'll give a nice little good morning, tell them what we're doing today, and then give them a list of assignments they need to make sure, or pages they need to make sure that they complete. Sometimes it'll tell them make sure that you have everything completed up to, especially for Wednesdays. Always remember that if they are not here, they need to log into the Google Meet, and there will, from here on out, be a link to Google Meet in the announcement. So not all of these are assignments, but all of these are pages for the day. A lot like the student handout tells them exactly what we want them to be able to cover today. This handout is divided out in the other pages, but it's just here as a copy for them to use. Like 10.1 is their warm up. So when they go to 10.1 warm up, which they can either click the next button or go, it's the same problem. It's just cut and pasted here. Also, there's videos for them to view on everything that has an assignment aside from practices and quizzes. So lessons and warm-ups generally have a video that goes over it with them. But if they are having trouble navigating through the pages, they can always go back to the announcement for that day, and the announcement for that day will take them to the next thing. So they will always have an engage. The Explorer is the notes, and the video goes with it to do the notes. Practices do not have a video to go through it, but they can always ask me questions, email, whatever, if they need help. And then expand is always help with notes as well from a different perspective. So it's just another thing that summarizes what we learned, um, and has from a different person other than me that some students need. Um, so that's what I need them to do daily. Make sure that they are going through and viewing the announcements, and then their tasks will be linked in and the pages there. If there's something that I missed linking, it's always in modules. They will always know what lesson they're doing. So 2.4 day one, coming down here to modules. All right, we're looking at 2.4. None of these are 2.4. So they can come down here and see, well, this is day one's 2.4 stuff. So I'm going to focus on all of 2.4's day one. 2.4 day two is right here. So you can see practice and evaluate will not have a video, but the explore will. So the explore will. Also, sometimes it'll tell them at the top, don't do this. So make sure that they're reading. So don't do 11.2. That would be for tomorrow at the time of the recording. And then sometimes I'll have a video or an audio of me reading through the introduction, but practices do not have videos because that is for them to practice and submit. Okay, awesome.